So you want to make a good first impression when you're on a video call, whether that's with a freelance client or maybe you're doing some general meetings and you just want to be looking sharp, no matter what it is. Well, there are lots of different apps that can help with that. There's ones like Camo, and there's an app that we're reviewing today called Boom. And it is an interesting app available for macOS only and also comes with a free and subscription pricing. Today, I'm going to go through all of the details and I've reviewed it, played around with it, and I want to share what the experience is like. So to really summarize Boom, it's a strange app because it plugs into your camera on macOS and essentially allows you to customize what you look like as well as the general feel of the screen. So for example, you can put your name in the bottom right hand corner, you could add the weather, location, and more details like that. But you can also go a step further in customizing even the branding, colors, text, and things like that to be slightly more your feel. Now you're probably wondering, why is this even useful? Well, basically, you want to make a good first impression. Maybe you're doing freelancing calls, sales calls, and you want to be able to give those people the best first impression or even just wow them when you're in the meeting. Well, there's loads of different features like the ability to screen share and make that look and feel customized so that when you're doing it, it just looks pretty cool. And the second thing is also GIFs and reactions to help those meetings a little bit more interactive. So Boom does that through a variety of different features. Now it does have paid pricing. Now the application has free plan, but there is a paid experience which is priced at, I believe, just over $10 a month with a lifetime pricing of $250 around that mark. And it wants to be your go-to meeting tool for Mac. Now, the application itself is really easy to use. I was able to pretty much set everything up. Now, when you're getting started with this, there's loads of permissions that you have to approve and things like that. But actually the use of it every single day in terms of switching your camera in the likes of Zoom or Google Meet is actually quite easy. And it does give that clean look in terms of just making yourself stand out. Now, I probably wouldn't use the GIFs and reactions that are there, but if you're somebody that's quite interactive or you want to celebrate on screen, that could be something that you do. There are also loads of widgets and timers and other abilities that you can connect with Google Calendar as part of the Pro experience, which is a nice addition to add layers to your meeting so that you can give everything that you need. And while you're on that meeting, you can jump back to the Boom app and essentially control it from there. So in terms of the cons, the things that I didn't particularly like about this application, I do think these sort of apps definitely a lot pricier in terms of whether you'd use this every single day. You probably use the free plan, but the pricing of the other one is a little bit steep. You'd have to really be in a lot of meetings and giving the impression and also wanting to give the best first impression possible to really maximize this pricing. And the other thing that I didn't particularly like about this app is there was no way to add custom fonts, but I probably assume that's a licensing issue and nothing that they can do about that, but probably something that if you're somebody in design or branding, it might not be nice. I really liked how this application put together everything in a really neat application. And the one thing that I really liked is that you can switch stuff really easily, meaning if you were doing a client meeting with a design team all the way to a business development team, you can switch between those modes, which means these themes can give a better impression and just maybe make the people on the other end of the call a little bit more impressed with your work. So that was Boom in today's video. If you want to explore new tools and resources, you can jump over to toolfinder.xyz and join the newsletter below. We do plenty of reviews and resources that I'm sure will be helpful. So thanks very much, and I hope this video gave you everything you need to know about Boom and whether it's right for you. Anyway, folks, cheerio for now.